Hello, everyone. I'm back from a chaotic little break. Wasn't really chaotic. I just chose to take it easy a little bit and visit with family. And that's never chaotic. So I got to spend some time with mom-in-law, but I call her mom. And I introduced her to Chart-Eeks, and she loved it. And I introduced her to a vacuum pen, and she said that's a game changer for her. She said she'll probably diamond paint more because of the vacuum pen. Oh, who'da thunk? I primarily use the vacuum pen to place ABs, but she really enjoyed placing all of the diamonds with the vacuum pen because she did the Sesame Street stickers. She did some of them. She did one sheet and then I did the other sheet because they actually come kitted up separate. So she did one set and then I did another set. And she did them all with the vacuum pen, and she thoroughly enjoyed the process. So I think we've got a diamond painter now in our midst. Ha ha ha. Okay. I also went shopping with my Florida best friend. Okay. I say Florida because I have other best friends. We went to Destin. I did a little video. It didn't come out that great, so if you don't want to watch it, that's okay, because I watched it again and it was kind of choppy. But anyway, we went to Hobby Lobby and Michaels and a place called Second and Charles. I'd never heard of them before, but I did not buy anything. I just looked around and just liked looking around in a new store. So anyway, Hobby Lobby. My dog is barking. Hold on 1 second. He doesn't normally bark. Okay. The neighbor's actually outside cleaning his pool, and my dog's on the other side of the fence letting him know that he sees him. Well, maybe not sees him, but he hears him. And Milo wanted to tell me that there was somebody in the neighbor's yard. They're supposed to be there. That's their yard. You know what I mean? Anyway, I went to Hobby Lobby. They did not have any Valentine's Day stuff. When I say stuff, I mean diamond art stuff. They usually have pretty cool stand-ups. But what they did have was Easter. They had 2 different projects you could get at the moment. They were still unloading Easter. Easter is not on sale yet. The items that are on sale right now is their spring collection. The Easter is the Easter collection. So I did pay full price for this. But I got a surprise with this one, and you'll find out during my event, which is in March. And I'll go over the details of my celebration birthday event probably around the 15th of February, which is not that far away. It's like 6 days. So I got this guy. I'll give you a clue. I bought 2. It's not that expensive for one, but they're not on sale. I could have waited, yes, but I seem to always miss all of Hobby Lobby's stand-ups in our Hobby Lobby. I have to go to a city an hour away to that Hobby Lobby, and I can find them there. But I don't always travel that far. So this is the egg, and there are all your drills. I'm not opening this, but it does come with this stand, because it's gonna, as you can see in the photo, you can stand it up when you're done. So I thought it was super cute, and I was very happy that I found an Easter product at Hobby Lobby, because I always miss it. I always miss them. They either don't have them in yet when we go, because in Hobby Lobby things trickle from the north to the south, and I'm in the south, or by the time I get down there, they're all sold out. Because the Diamond Art, the girl that I spoke with, moves really fast when they put it out. So I'm glad I got this. I got it in double. So I will explain why I got two on my event video. All right. But what did I get in Michaels? So my Hobby Lobby didn't have any Diamond Art on clearance. So nothing was marked down. And I don't particularly buy Hobby Lobby canvases. I only buy their stand-ups. I've bought 2 of their canvases already. I wasn't impressed. Life's too short to do canvases you don't like. So I gave both of them, well, one I actually returned to the store because the quality was that bad. And the first one I gave away to a friend to finish. So life's too short. And I'm not going to spend time finishing stuff I'm not enjoying when I have so many other canvases I would much rather do. You know what I mean? Life's too short. And you just don't know from one day to the next if you're even going to get that day. So, if you know, you know. We've had an eye-opening experience in our household. Cancer. And life's too short, man. Life's too short. I'm only doing stuff that I really want to do. So what did I get? All right. I'm super excited about this one. I've been eyeing this one, but I didn't want to pay full price. There was quite a few, and I just wanted to wait it out, and I did. I got it. I got it. I love that one. This one is 20 colors. 20 colors. And it comes with the pen and the wood frame. Well, I can't walk and chew gum, guys. And the wooden frame. Yeah, and it is 8 by 10. I could do this in like 3 days. You know, I could do it on 2 lives with you guys. That would be good. And I really like this one. I think it's super duper cute. The candy canes, I do that on my Christmas gifts for people. I take 2 candy canes, put them across each other, and tape them on the package. Only 1 package per person do I do that. Well, actually, that's a lie, because this past Christmas I did not do that. But I typically do. And I also put candy canes on the Christmas tree. And they are decorations for the Christmas tree, because when I take the tree down, I put all those candy canes that were on the tree in a container, and it goes with my Christmas tree decorations. And then next year I open the container, put the candy canes on the tree. You do not eat the candy canes on Miss Nancy's Christmas tree. Miss Nancy has fresh candy canes for you to eat. I used to keep them on the living room table so that people could just take a candy cane and not eat them off the tree, because you don't know how old they are. I mean, frankly, I don't even know how old some of them are. But that's another story. So this is round drills, and I'm super excited about this one. The next one I picked up. I'm not as excited about this one, but I thought maybe next year I could use it as a giveaway for Christmas time. Not right now. Maybe at Christmas time. And I actually do like it. Who knows? I might actually do this one. Next year, I might be feeling a different vibe. But it's the same kind of canvas. It's an 8 by 10. It's a round. Comes with the pen. Comes with the frame. And it has 36 colors. Now this and this were this year's. So I wonder if there's special drills, because Michaels has now come out with special drills. So they could be. I don't know. I haven't opened them. I'm not going to open them. They're super cute. Super cute. You can see it. 8 by 10. Love it. Next one I got is one I do want to complete, but probably next year, or maybe a Christmas in July. I think Diamond Grandma does a Christmas in July, so I may do this one. See the hot chocolate in the present? I love it. And it's a round drill. And this one is a 16 by 20. 16 by 20, which is equivalent to 2 of these. 16 by 20. And it has 44 colors. There's 44 colors in here. Yep. Yep. So that is what I got when I went shopping. Yep, it sure is. That's what I got. I think I did pretty good. Because one of them I bought with the intention of probably selling next year. And then the other two I do plan on completing, but my taste might change next year. So we will have to wait and see what I actually do. Well, I say next year, but I mean later down the line. So I hope you've liked what I found. I really do. And let me know in the comments if you have one of these and or have completed them. Please let me know. Let me know if there's special drills in it, because I don't really want to open them yet. I'm trying to turn over a new leaf. I'm just going to open them to check inventory and stuff everything back in. I'm going to see if I can maybe do that, especially on the ones I'm thinking about selling. I do want to make sure all the contents are there. So let me know. All right, everybody, be kind. I'm Pampered with Diamonds, and Merry Christmas and Happy Easter to everyone. Let's try that again. Bye.